Welcome to Santa Rosa Manpower online training course. I am Oliver Manuel and I will be your trainer in automotive servicing and C2 engine repair. This module will focus on the first unit of competency, which is diagnose and repair engine cooling and lubrication system, which has 4 learning outcomes. Learning outcome number 1 is prepare to diagnose engine cooling and lubrication system. Learning outcome number 2 is diagnose engine cooling and lubrication system. Learning outcome number 3 is repair engine cooling and lubrication system. And number 4 is complete work process. For today, we will talk about the first learning outcome, which is prepare to diagnose and repair engine cooling and lubrication system. We would have 3 main topics. First is basic operating principle of cooling and lubrication system and its job requirements. Topic number 2 would be job interpretation of diagnostic information using industry criteria. And lastly, tools, equipments, and materials in diagnosing and repairing cooling and lubricating system. So again, I am Oliver Manuel and welcome to Santa Rosa Manpower online training course.